Groundwater surveyors in Gurgaon play a crucial role in assessing the availability and quality of groundwater resources in the region. Gurgaon, being a rapidly developing city, is facing a significant increase in water demand due to population growth and industrialization. As a result, it becomes essential to understand the groundwater situation to ensure sustainable management and utilization of this valuable resource. Groundwater surveyors in Gurgaon use various techniques and tools to collect data on groundwater levels, recharge rates, and quality. They conduct detailed surveys and investigations to determine the depth and location of water tables, as well as the potential for groundwater recharge. This information helps in identifying suitable locations for borewells and tube wells, which are essential for meeting the water requirements of the city. The surveyors utilize advanced equipment like groundwater level recorders, piezometers, and electrical resistivity meters to gather accurate data. They also analyze the hydrogeological characteristics of the area, including the geological formations and soil types, to understand how water moves underground. This knowledge is crucial for designing effective groundwater management strategies and preventing overexploitation or contamination of the aquifer. SCON design is an important aspect of groundwater surveying in Gurgaon. SCON stands for Subsurface Constructive Observation Network, which involves the installation of monitoring wells at strategic locations. These wells provide continuous measurements of groundwater levels and help in tracking changes over time. In determining the quantity and quality of groundwater resources in the area, Gurgaon's groundwater surveyors are essential. Gurgaon, a city that is quickly growing, is seeing a considerable rise in water demand as a result of population expansion and industry. Therefore, it is crucial to comprehend the groundwater status in order to ensure the sustainable management and exploitation of this priceless resource. Gurgaon groundwater surveyors utilize a variety of methods and equipment to gather information on groundwater quality, recharge rates, and levels. They carry out thorough surveys and studies to ascertain the depth, location, and likelihood of groundwater recharge. This information aids in locating acceptable borewell and tube well locations, which are necessary to satisfy the city's water needs. To get precise data, the surveyors use cutting-edge tools like electrical resistivity meters, piezometers, and groundwater level recorders. In order to comprehend how water goes underground, they also examine the hydrogeological aspects of the region, including the soil types and geological formations. This information is necessary to develop efficient groundwater management plans and avoid overusing or contaminating the aquifer. Groundwater surveys in Gurgaon includes SCON design as a key component. Subsurface Constructive Observation Network, or SCON, entails the positioning of monitoring wells at key places. Groundwater levels are continuously measured by these wells, which aid in observing variations over time. After gathering the information, it is examined to determine whether groundwater resources